video. I'm here to do makeup tutorial for you guys, and in today's tutorial, I'm not going to use any palette today. I'm going to just use an individual eyeshadow from Sephora, and obviously I'm going to use this Huda Beauty matte and melted eyeshadows. So this is a look. Let me zoom in just a little bit for you guys. This is the look. Shimmerous, a lot of highlighter, and just let me, okay, a lot of highlighter, as I was saying, and I'm going to use this concealer as well. Oh my god, I'm just loving this concealer so much. And yeah, stay with me and let's get started. So let's get started with this look. First of all, I'm going to use this color in French lace and diamond drip. It's really beautiful. It's like it's a lavender color, and I just love it so much. In this tutorial, it's really easy because we don't need to smudge and blend the color. So it's really simple, so follow my steps and everything will be okay. I'm going to do an eyeliner like I did in this eye. Paint all the lid like I'm doing. It's really important. And then, oops, we're going to just do like this. And now just pull it nicely. A perfect eyeliner, eyeshadow eyeliner. I just love to do this type of looks with this because it's so beautiful. Just look at this. Just look at how winged it is and how simple it is as well. Let me just, okay. It's really beautiful, it's really simple. And now I'm going to use Diamond Drip. The color is so beautiful. The shimmer is like a metallic shimmer. I just love this composition. I just love this composition so much. Just look at this shimmer, please. This gives you like a really good wet look finish, which I am truly obsessed with it. So for the top of the eye, for the top of the eye, we're done. Oh my god, I just love this so much. And in the lid, it gets like I'm feeling like my lid is a little wet. But oh my god, it's fresh, it's really nice, really nice. And now I'm going to use this color by Sephora. The color is number 260, and it's this beautiful color, pink. And now I'm going to just do like this and apply it underneath my lashes. Purple and pink, so it's so good. It's insane. It's like this. Look, it's very simple, but look, it's very simple, but we can see how classy it is, how wearable it is. I'll just apply some mascara and go out to somewhere to buy groceries, to a party, to an event, to everywhere, because it's really wearable. For me, it's really wearable. Sometimes people get a little shy of using this type of colors like pinks and some type of reds and lavenders as well, because they think that they're not really wearable things, but they are. And obviously they're not all colors that are wearable, right? But just like this, apply a lot of mascara. The lipstick which I'm wearing is this one by Maybelline Superstay in Crayon. I just love this so much. I just love this so much. And it's just a pencil, which you can do just like this. It already draws your, it's like a lip liner, but it's a lipstick as well, so it's really practical in a daily routine. And now I'm going to use something that I've never used it in a video. It's this. It's this incredible You Glow Girl in the color Flocking Fabulous. You need to be careful with these jellies because they are really like, as you can see, they are like a jelly basically, so you need to be careful because it can fall out. So let me just, oh my god, and just let me right here as well, a little bit more, because we all love to shine, right babes? It's such a beautiful highlighter. My god, I'm just obsessed with this. Incredible, as I say, you are incredible. So yeah, here's the final look. Let me unzoom it for you guys. Here's the final look. I really hope you guys liked it, and tell me what you think about Huda matte and melted eyeshadows, and what you think about these products and about this jelly highlighter as well by Incredible. And I want to know everything, so let me know in the comments down below. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on my blog. I will let everything down below for you guys, and subscribe my channel as well, it's really important. So and yeah, I'll see you next video. Bye.